Welcome to this presentation of FACETS. FACETS is a pilot from the Polifonia project, which offers a tool to explore collections of music documents. Collection managers can integrate this component into their platform to allow their audience to browse their collections. It may also be used among researchers in a musicology lab willing to share corpora. FACETS relies at its core on a content-based search engine powered by Elasticsearch. It may handle a lot of files very swiftly. FACETS is available on a demo website on the Humanium platform at nomadev.humanium.fr or on GitHub as a standalone Docker image. In this short video, I will introduce you to their user interface. The platform is initially empty from documents to be populated with yours. In the Log Data tab, you may add some indices, which is a way to organize your collections of documents. Once you've added an index, you may upload some documents in a lot of different formats, from MEI to music XML, or even as an archive in a zip format. Then you may explore the uploaded files in the Discovery view. You may select all files or filter them through some facets. Facets help the user find documents with similar values along some dimensions which were pre-computed. For instance, the same key or the same period in time. A powerful and extensive search mode is also available. You may input a pattern and search for it in a collection, be it a melodic or rhythmic pattern. Here I input an index, a mode, and then I search for a given pattern. Then I get some search results which are presented one below the other, and I can click on one of them to explore where the matching pattern were found in the score. There is also a dashboard to explore the music document themselves. And that's it for this short video presenting the FACETS tool from the Polifonia project. If you want to know more about Polifonia, join us on polifoniaproject.eu, and if you want to check FACETS, go to nomadev.humanium.fr. Thank you very much.